Hello my viewers, today I show you the big tree has top, the big tallest tree, how to remove with a saw machine. This like now people has put before the cutting the tree put what you call ropes, and then more people to uh, bet with other trees, and the guys now is starting to cutting the half cutting is going to people is filling those the other side to remove this tree. I hope this is a good opportunity to for all people cutting the tree. You looking now live how to remove the tree is big. The big tree is cutting is very typical, but this has a good idea to before they put the ropes and catch people and pulling to other side to cut the tree. That now this tree is dry to now is maybe very easy. You see the how to filling down. Amazing. This is a good watch like this video for Dillian Safar K.